Ever wondered how to set up a Google AdSense account? Well, you're in the right place. Google AdSense can be a powerful tool for digital marketers and content creators, providing a platform to monetize website traffic through targeted ads. But setting up an account? That might seem a bit daunting. Fear not. We're here to guide you through the process step by step. And by the end of this journey, you'll have your very own AdSense account up and running. So let's dive straight into the step-by-step process of setting up a Google AdSense account. The first step is to visit the Google AdSense website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Google AdSense in the search bar. Click on the first result, which should be the official Google AdSense site. This site is your gateway to monetizing your digital content, be it a blog, a website, or a YouTube channel. It's a straightforward process really. Once you're on the Google AdSense website, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to sign in to your Google account or create one if you don't have it yet. If you're already part of the Google family, simply use your existing credentials to sign in. If you're new, don't fret. Just click on Sign Up Now to welcome yourself into the Google universe. The process is straightforward, and in no time, you'll have a brand new Google account. With your Google account ready, you can now proceed to the next step. Next, you'll be prompted to provide the URL of your website or blog. Now this is the space where you plan to display those eye-catching Google ads. So go ahead and key in your URL. Once you've done that, tap on that Next button. But wait, there's more. It's now time to fill out your personal details. This includes specifying your country or territory from the drop-down menu. Yes, Google AdSense is available worldwide. Next up, you'll need to set your time zone. Remember, this is important for accurate reporting and payments. Now, onto the account type. You have two options here, individual or business. Choose the one that best suits your needs. And remember, honesty is the best policy. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date. After entering your details, you're one step closer to setting up your AdSense account. It's as simple as that. Now, it's time to read and accept the AdSense program policies. As you navigate this step, remember that understanding these policies is key to maintaining a compliant account. Google has crafted these rules to ensure a fair and safe advertising environment for all parties involved. The policies cover a wide range of topics such as prohibited content, ad placement, and traffic sources, among others. Invest time in understanding these guidelines as they form the foundation of your relationship with Google AdSense. Once you've read through and accepted these policies, it's time to hit the Submit My Application button. Remember, this is not the end of the journey, but rather the beginning. Google will now review your application. This process is thorough and may take some time, so patience is key. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Google to review it. The next step is all about waiting and hoping for a positive response. Trust in the process, and in the meantime, keep improving your site's content and user experience. Once your account is approved, you can set up ad units and place ad codes on your website. Let's dive into how it's done. First up, creating ad units. An ad unit is a set structure where Google will display your ads. You create these in your AdSense account. You can choose different ad formats, sizes, and styles. It's like designing a custom billboard, but online. Secondly, placing ad codes. Ad codes are snippets of HTML that allow Google to send ads to your website. How do you place them? Simply copy the generated ad code and paste it into the HTML of your site where you want the ads to appear. Each ad unit you create has its own unique ad code, so you can experiment with ad placement to find the most lucrative spots on your site. Lastly, monitoring performance. This is where the magic meets metrics. The AdSense dashboard provides an array of data. It's your command center for earnings, performance reports, and other key metrics. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers. They will guide your decisions, helping you to adjust your ad settings based on what's working and what's not. It's a process of test, learn, and optimize. And it's all right there in your dashboard. And there you have it. You've now set up your Google AdSense account. Remember to monitor your performance and adjust your settings as needed. Let's recap the steps to setting up a Google AdSense account. Start by visiting the AdSense website and sign in or create a Google account. Provide your website URL, enter your details and accept AdSense policies. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, create ad units, place ad codes on your website, and monitor performance using the AdSense dashboard. Remember, patience is key as the application review may take some time. And that's how you set up a Google AdSense account. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.